सो हाय फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग, सत श्री अकाल, नमस्कार, सलाम सारा नु। मेरा नाम है बिपिन पाल सिंह और स्वागत है आप सबका एक बार फिर से मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पे जिसका नाम है Friends, the property option which I am going to share with you in today's video is a 3 BHK floor in Gurgaon sector 22. And the best part about that floor is that it is the 4th floor of the property and is available with roof rights. Friends, the price of the floor will be disclosed by me at the end of the video. So for now, without wasting any time, let's go and check out the surroundings and the layout of the floor which I am talking about. And it is my humble request, friends, if you are liking these videos, please don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button. It is just for the support of my channel and it will give me motivation to publish more such property options on YouTube for all you guys. So with this, let's hit the road and go to the property location which I am talking about. Let's go. So my friends, that being the 30-meter wide road of Gurgaon sector 22 and this being the green belt in front of the property which we are going to explore, and from here turning my camera to the opposite side is the property which we have came to, and in this property that 4th floor is available for sale which we are going to explore now. So my dear friends, let's go inside and start exploring the property which we have came to from this 10th floor. Now here my dear friends, on this 10th floor builder has promised to give 1 car parking space to each flat owner, and also on this 10th floor my dear friends, this elevator is provided which can be accessed from 1st, 2nd and 3rd floor, and to reach on the 4th floor you have to take this elevator till the 3rd floor, and from there you have to take the staircase to reach the 4th floor. So pressing this button, let me take you to the 3rd floor, and from there we will take stairs to reach the 4th floor. So this being the elevator of EC make. This being the 3rd floor of the property, and from here we have to take the stairs to go to the 4th floor. So let's go. And friends, on this 4th floor, this being the main entrance to the floor which we have came to check out. So this being the main entry provided with this 8 feet tall wooden door, and turning my camera from here to my right are the stairs which will take us to the terrace of the property, which will ultimately become the property of the person who will own this 4th floor. So let's go inside and check out the layout of the floor behind this door. So friends, before starting the exploration of each and individual room of this floor, let me tell you the type of flooring provided on this floor is of vitrified tiles except the master bedroom which is provided with wooden flooring. So with this brief introduction to the flooring of the floor, let me start giving you the tour of this floor. This being the main entrance to the floor, and this is the area where I am standing at this moment is the drawing room of the floor. This is the shade of vitrified tiles provided in this drawing room area, and this is the design of false ceiling. And friends, in this drawing room area, this white glass opening is provided which certainly ensures natural light to come inside the drawing room area, and along with that a separate panel is provided which is openable, ensuring along with natural light, natural air also to come inside the drawing room area. And adjacent to this glass opening is provided a door which is leading us to the front side balcony from this drawing room area. So before exploring other rooms of the floor, let's explore the front side balcony of the property. So this being the wooden door provided which will lead us to the front side balcony, and this is the front side balcony of the property provided with SS304 railing and toughened glass protection. So this being the front side balcony of the floor. And this is the outer view from the front side balcony, surrounded with these lush green trees. And as I have told you while being on the ground floor, that it is provided with this green belt and 30-meter wide road. So friends, with this we have completed drawing room and the front side balcony of the property, and now moving back into this drawing room area, that being the main entrance to the floor. Now let's explore the kitchen of this floor. So adjacent to the main entrance of the floor is provided this wooden door, which will lead us to the kitchen of this floor. So friends, this is the modular design kitchen, and it is provided with this shade of flooring tiles, and moving upwards, these are all the cupboards provided over here in this kitchen, and it is provided with this clean chimney. And before starting exploration of the cupboards in this kitchen area, let me tell you that this kitchen area is provided with the very beautiful looking tiles on the walls, as you can see. And apart from this beautiful looking tiles, it is also provided with this white glass opening, which is very much similar to what we have explored in the drawing room area. And also it is provided with this panel, which you can open to make sure that fresh air enters your kitchen. So now quickly let's start exploring the cupboard space provided behind all these panels. So starting with this, the woodwork provided above the slab. So these are all the spaces provided. The Klein chimney, which we have already discussed. These are the spaces provided. Wow. And now turning my camera to the other side. Big cupboard spaces provided behind the panels. There is no doubt. And here this steel rack is provided, because this being the dishwashing area. And now black marble slab is provided, and let's quickly start exploring the woodwork provided beneath the slab. So this being the space provided, this is the very fine quality of woodwork provided over here with steel work. Plenty of space in the kitchen. Maximum of the drawers provided in this kitchen are provided with steel work. As you can see, very nice quality of woodwork provided. Very smooth in operation with soft closing. Plenty of space to accommodate almost all size of grocery. All the corners are properly utilized. So this being the bin area provided beneath this dishwashing area. So with this friends, I have completed the kitchen of the floor as well. And now moving out of the kitchen will take us to this drawing room area, and passing this drawing room area is this lobby area of the floor. Friends, this is the shade of flooring tiles provided in this lobby cum dining room area, and this is the design of false ceiling provided in this area. Also friends, in this lobby cum dining room area, this TV console is also provided, and adjacent to this TV console is provided the common washroom. So let's explore this one also. So friends, this being the common washroom, and this is the shade of tiles provided in this washroom, and it is provided with this geyser, exhaust, cupboards to keep your toiletries, and Jaguar fitted shower. So this being the common washroom of the floor, and with this we have completed drawing room, front balcony, kitchen and lobby cum dining room area of the floor. And now is the time to start exploring the bedrooms, the 3 bedrooms of the floor. So starting the exploration of the bedrooms from the master bedroom of the floor. So let's explore the master bedroom first. friends, this is the master bedroom of the floor, provided with this wooden flooring, and this is the design of false ceiling provided in this master bedroom. Friends, this being the highlighted wall of the master bedroom, and turning my camera to the left is the cupboards provided in this master bedroom. And friends, besides this, there is one more cupboard space provided in this master bedroom, which is this. So let's quickly start exploring the cupboard space provided in this master bedroom. So let's start with this cupboard first. Let's open all the panels and let me show you the space provided. So this being the space provided in this first cupboard section which we have explored in the master bedroom, and these are the drawers provided. And besides this, these drawers are provided. And above these panels, this section is provided, which is provided with hydraulic hinges, where you can keep your stuff like blankets, bed sheets, etc, etc. So this is the space provided over here. And now moving on to the second cupboard space provided in this master bedroom. Let's quickly explore this also. Enough, plenty of space provided over here. This panel is provided with a glass and shelves beneath it. So it is also very nice and is provided with these drawers. And again, the section provided above these are provided with the hydraulic hinges. Let me show you. So those are the hydraulic hinges provided in the topmost section of the cupboards provided in this master bedroom. So now adjacent to the second section of the cupboard provided in the master bedroom is the attached washroom. So let's quickly explore this also. As you can see, it is provided with this check-all fittings, and this is the shade of tiles provided in this washroom. It is provided with geyser and space to keep your toiletries. So this being the attached washroom to the master bedroom. And now moving out, this is the door from where we have entered into the master bedroom, and turning my camera to the right will bring us to this master bedroom of the floor. And again over here also this wide glass opening is provided, ensuring natural light to come inside the room, and adjacent to that is the door provided which will lead us to the backside balcony. So let's quickly explore the backside balcony also. So friends, this is the backside balcony of the floor, and it is provided with a very nice looking tiles, and over here an arrangement is provided to keep your washing machine so that you can wash your clothes in this backside balcony. And this is the external view from this backside balcony. Now moving back from this backside balcony to the master bedroom of the floor, moving out of this master bedroom, let's explore the other two rooms which are left. So friends, this being our master bedroom which we have just explored, and now we are going to explore this second bedroom of the floor. So let's go inside and check out its layout also. So friends, this is the shade of flooring provided in this second bedroom of the floor, and this is the design of false ceiling provided in this room. This being the design of wallpaper provided in this room, and similar to all the other rooms which we have explored till now, this is the glass window opening provided in this room also, and adjacent to this white glass opening provided in this room are the wardrobes of this room. Now let's explore the space provided behind these panels in these wardrobes. The upper section, which again is provided with the hydraulic hinges to keep your stuff like blankets and bed sheets, and this is the space provided in this wardrobe. And from here, turning my camera to the opposite side, is the attached washroom to this room. So now let's explore this also. So my friends, this being the attached washroom to the second bedroom of the floor, and this is the shade of tiles provided in this washroom, and it is provided with the geyser, exhaust, Jacquard fittings, space to keep your toiletries. So now moving out from this attached washroom to the second bedroom, and from this second bedroom let's explore the last portion of the floor, which is the third bedroom. So let's go inside. Now friends, in this third bedroom, this is the shade of the flooring tiles provided in this room, and in this bedroom there is no false ceiling provided, and similar to all other rooms which we have explored on this room, this white glass opening is provided in this room as well, which is certainly ensuring great amount of natural light to come inside the room. And along with these all white glass opening are provided this panel which you can open to allow fresh air to enter the room. So this being the third and the last bedroom of the floor, and this is the wardrobe provided in this room. So let's quickly explore the space provided behind the panels of this wardrobe. The wardrobe being very much similar to what we have explored in the second bedroom, provided with the two drawers and with a section which is having hydraulic hinges where you can keep your bed sheets, blankets and other stuff, other big stuff like that. So with this friends, I have completed each and every corner of this floor, and now it's the time to explore the terrace of the floor, the rides of which you will be getting along with this floor. So let's move out of the main entrance, which is this one, and let's explore the terrace. This being the entry point to the terrace. So friends, now let's discuss the price of this floor. The price of this floor is 1 crore 10 lakh, which is negotiable. And friends, if you like the layout of the floor and want to negotiate on the price of this floor, please feel free to contact me on my number. The number of mine is flashing on the screen. And also, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button. So with this, I will be passing signing off today with the promise to meet you again with altogether a new property option and a new video. So till then, take care of yourself, your family and stay in good health. Goodbye guys.